Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5 for 2022. So before we do that, let's quickly run through the specs. So it has the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor with a 16 gigs of RAM. Hopefully it's a DDR5 RAM. And then we have the storage 1 TB plus 1 TB SSD, making a total of 2 TB SSD. And then we have the GPU, which is RTS 3070 Ti. It's a 15.6 inch full HD display and the color is a storm gray. So let's go ahead and then tear it up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna pull out the charging cable. And then we have the power brick. Well, it's a big giant power brick we have here. Oh my god, a whooping 300 watt. That is juicy. 300 watt adapter. I wish this laptop has a very good TDP, TGP, so that it can utilize this power brick very well. And we have a paperwork, and then that is the laptop. So we fold it like this. Oh. So okay, we have another paperwork here. Wow. Nice one. I think it's redesigned. This is not how the last year model looked like. Yeah, this look more like the Slim 7, but it is thicker. It is not slim, I think. So the design look like the Slim 7. You can see it. So, but it is way thicker, and also it doesn't look like a 15-inch. It looks like a 16-inch laptop. I wish I had a 16-inch here to compare it. So when you lift it up, you have this get the best from your PC with Lenovo service. And then we have the laptop itself. It's a heavy duty machine with a number case. Obviously this doesn't look like a 15-inch laptop. How did they make mistake on the label? Okay, so let's quickly go through the part before. So for the left side you have two USB Type-C port, which I believe one is going to be a Thunderbolt 4 port, and at the front you have nothing, and at the right you have the 3.5mm audio jack, and then the webcam privacy lock, and then you have a tiny LED indicator, and you have a USB-A port. So then at the back you have your Ethernet cable, and you have another USB Type-C port, well, making 3 USB Type-C port, and then you have a full HDMI port, and you have another 2 USB-A port, so making a total of 3 USB-A port and then 3 USB Type-C port. I think Lenovo decide to be generous with their ports in this one. And then you have your charging port here. Now at the top, it looks like all these places going to be illuminated. I don't know. So for the logo as well, I don't think it's going to be illuminated, but there's only one way to find out. That will be when I'm going to be doing the full review of the laptop. So guys, that's it about the unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5 for 2022. So subscribe to my channel if you've not, so you can be getting, and also click on the notification button so that you can get update anytime I drop new video. So bye, and then see you in the full review of this based off a laptop. Bye.